Guess where I'm going, guys? To jail, probably, because I'm trying to drive and record. Yes, was that a cop, please? So anyway, y'all, I thought it would be fun to try to come up with different, ideas for Halloween costume at Goodwill. Freestyling as your girl do. Y'all know how I do it. So I don't know what I'm about to even come up with, but it's gonna be fun. We pray. Let's get started. Okay guys, these are some items I picked out to try to come up with a Halloween costume. I don't know what I'm about to do with it, but I'm finna see what I can make out of it, guys. Hopefully it worked out. And in the meantime, in between time, I thought this was cute. This ain't Halloween, but it's cute though. So let's get started. Okay guys, I have to do a voiceover, but I'm showing you the size of this sweatshirt that I love. But let's get started with this Halloween. First costume is Michelangelo. I think this is Michelangelo. I thought it was really, really cute, but when I tell y'all I almost died putting this dang shirt on. It might be another children's shirt. I have not a clue. But baby, I had to complete this video, so I don't care. We're gonna squeeze into this shirt. I thought it was really cute. I like the concept. A sexy turtle, sexy turtle. Showing you the back. You got an actual shell, and I think that's an orange, so that's why I think it's Michelangelo. So I think it is super cute, but I did not get this, because why? I could not breathe, guys. Okay, next costume. Okay, I thought this was super cute. It's like if you go to a theme party. So like back to the 90s or whatever you want to call it. But I thought, it got all the 90s cartoons and it actually say, I love the 90s. And I also think you could, of course, wear it besides Halloween with a cute jean jacket and everything. So I actually did get this shirt because I said, you know what? I like the 90s. So let's roll with it. So next costume. Next costume was this Run DMC outfit. Inspire. It's an Adidas track jacket. And first I was like, okay, I'm going to just grab this and make something up. But then I put it on like, hold up, this is actually cute. Give me that vintage feel. So Trick Halloween, we're going to rock this jacket. And it's a size small, but hey, it is what it is. I'm trying to show a little something right there, guys. But overall, I think you can, of course, dress this up for Halloween and rock it after Halloween. But, hey, it's cute. And you might can even find some red, pants. This one I thought was super cute. It is a high school gown, graduation gown, or I thought it could be a choir robe too, but we're going to go for like the High School Musical, even though I have never seen any of those movies in my entire life. But, hey, we could use it as a costume. Or like I say, you can rock it as a choir, costume as well. So the next costume is this nurse outfit. I thought it was super cute. They are actual scrubs. And I'm like, you could actually go find like a toy stethoscope or a nurse's hat. Anything, spice it up, and you got a complete nurse's outfit for Halloween. And I was really like checking out this uniform because I'm like, hold up, this is kind of comfortable, even though it's kind of tight. But overall, I thought it was kind of comfortable, but I did not get it. I did not get that robe either, guys. But I did get that Adidas jacket. I didn't make mention of that, but I did get that jacket. But I went on and let this make it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. And y'all don't have to spend a fortune for Halloween. Holla at y'all thrift stores. See you next video. Deuces.